Hey beautiful people, today I'm showing you my red eyebrow tutorial. First I grab my NYX brow glue laminating gel, especially because I have very little eyebrows. So this really helps to create a shape for my outline. So I'm just brushing those hairs upwards. Then I'm taking my brow brush from Morphe and pressing in that lamination. And then I'm using that same brush to brush the hairs right in place. Then I grab my Warrior 2 palettes by Juvia Place and I take the Jamata shade, which is red but it also shows up auburn. And I use a small precise straight brush in light strokes to make brow hairs. Then I take the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eyebrows and the shade is in Toffee. Then I use my Sephora double-ended brush to blend out that concealer. And then I go back in with that eyeshadow just to make sure everything is as pigmented until I feel really satisfied with the final product. So here's the final look. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching.
If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. Me no get the time for the